Winter's breath held the world captive. A pine cone, overflowing with seeds and fat, became a haven for hungry souls. A tiny crested tit, brave and bold, was the first to feast. Then, a blue tit, a whirlwind of energy, joined the feast. Two more crested tits peeked from the bushes. Hesitant, a shadow fell. A large black crow landed, a commanding presence. The small birds yielded gracefully. One by one, they shared the bounty of the pine cone, a small act of kindness in the icy embrace of winter. Enjoy the magic of this moment. Subscribe and share the warmth.